Magic Drawings! Hello, my friends! Are you ready to draw something super cute today? Guess who our mystery character is? Yes, it's a cute hedgehog! Let's draw our little hedgehog wearing its warm coat. Grab your pencil and let's start drawing together. Did you know? Hedgehogs can have up to 7,000 tiny spikes on their back. Isn't that amazing? Great job so far. Now it's coloring time. Here's another fun fact. Hedgehogs curl into a tiny ball when they feel shy or scared, just like a little rolling ball. Hedgehog looks wonderful! Thank you for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more cute drawings. See you next time!